Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and this video I'll show you how you can change your network on Metamask account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, open up your Metamask app on your phone. Now right afterwards, make sure you have signed in as well, and then this kind of interface is gonna pop up. Now from over here, you're gonna find your network on top. Simply go ahead, tap on the drop down icon. Now from the available networks as well, you can simply choose and change. Tap on got it and it will be changed. But if you want to add more, then tap on add network, and from the popular you can change it to Avalanche, Arbitrum, BNB Chain, Base, Optimism, whatever you prefer. You can also choose to add custom networks accordingly as well. Once you're done, tap on add at the bottom and you're good to go. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.